It's a lot of water.
Hello interneters and welcome to Balboa Peninsula.
What?
That's where we are. Oh, Chipotle.
We're not though.
We are.
2.1 miles.
We are on Balboa. Here we are. What do you mean we're not? That's literally where we're going. Balboa Pier. Oh, we can just go to Toadland if you want.
What?
Toadland. But yeah, today we're going whale watching and a bit of a beach day, so join us for that, see if we see any fish. Big fish. See if we see any big fish.
Big fish, little fish, got bubble.
We are on a boat. Oh yeah. Scary bear.
Can you see the massive bear in the window?
No.
Just like boats just.
Them houses look like they're money. So they've even got their own private dogs. Wow. Wow. There's some seals. A bit, they're a bit fuzzy, but
That's really cool.
hi.
That's a boat and a half, though.
That is an incredible boat.
Batmobile.
They chose somewhere very nice to lay next to.
I like that one as well.
We heard them before we saw them. That one is classy. Them houses are money. That end one on the right looks like something Daniel will build in Minecraft.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's seagulls. Wow. One just gets eaten right now, that's what we want. Oh, no, goodbye. Dolphins! Well, we've just seen some dolphins. I didn't get it on camera. But we're out on the open water now. We're out of here. That was a brief sighting. We are out now. It's a little bit more wobbly, but it's actually quite a calm sea today, so we're alright. Nice little meal. So in front of us, we see loads of seabirds, loads of fish.
Which could mean that this is the spot where whales can be spotted.
There's dolphins jumping about. There's loads of them.
Oh my god! That's so cool!
These guys are considered to food well. They do have tanks and they feed on small kingfish. And that's why they're here in the area. Lots of anchovies there in the last couple of weeks, and wherever that bathing is and stuff, we're a few weeks from
Oh my god, wait, what was that over there? Oh my god, look at that one!
Let me see if we can get it.
It's proper jumping!
These guys are close relative. They kill well. Like I said, they don't migrate through the area. Usually found pretty much year-round here, up and down the coast. Look around for something to feed on, and we'll check these guys out for a little bit, and then we'll see what we can find after this.
Oh! You ready? Oh, they just dived under. Oh, Renner! Swimming in the front of the boat, look. One sec.
Oh
Look.
my god! They are swimming under the boat!
Wow. It's wrapped around my hand.
Oh, look at that one!
Oh, this is sick.
Oh my god, this is really
There's literally like hundreds of them.
There's a baby one!
Where? Where am I looking?
Literally just over here, look.
Oh, I do see it.
That is so cool!
There's loads of them, oh my lord. There's one down here swimming away.
Look at the baby one! There's loads of babies, oh my god!
Wow, this is insane.
Oh my god, look at the baby!
There's another one that way now. Hello? They're all swimming right underneath the boat. There's loads more. It's crazy how many there are. Wow.
Oh, it's got 2 babies actually.
When I say there's hundreds, it spans all the way down there. That's actually nuts. Because all the way over there where they're feeding as well.
You see the dolphin really thrashing through the water right here where we're at. They're feeding. If you look closer, you'll probably see some little anchovies jumping out of the water and stuff.
Oh yeah. They've gone from playing with the boat to literally frenzy feeding. That's crazy. Oh yeah. Pelican. All the sea lions just crouched on this one pontoon.
We're going to pull up the buoy here, guys. Put it on the right side of the boat. Look at some sea lions to finish up the trip here. Male sea lions get about 800 pounds, and they call this hauling out, where they'll get up here and just warm their bodies up for being in the water for an extended period of time. Right side.
That's just in the water that's curious. The one that's in the water can't go. So we have made land. I actually really enjoyed that. Unfortunately we didn't see a whale, but there was a lot of dolphins. And some sea lions. All good, all good. I actually really enjoyed that. For the price we paid, what was $30 each? A 2.5 hour trip in a boat is not bad at all. We're at a seafood restaurant. Oh,
Really
yeah.
sad though, because we wanted to get like
burger.
crab legs or like lobster or something.
Seafood tacos. Oh yeah. I'm getting a mahi burger.
And I'm getting clam on
Just to try mahi. Not a bad place to dine, really, is it? And it's getting brighter, so maybe our beach day is not in jeopardy. A massive piece of fish. That is a mahi burger with parmesan chips. So that was actually a really nice meal. I really enjoyed that. I'm liking trying new foods at the minute.
Taught him well.
How? Well, to be fair, I'm not even saying it's however. She found a bit of shell in her food, which, to be fair, when you're eating seafood, you expect.
You
like,
do, and I didn't like kick off or anything. I still ate everything else.
We just mentioned it, but let's give us that meal off. So actually,
completely took it off. So
the cheapest meal we've had here was probably one of the nicest things. But because they knocked it off more, then it ruined her tip. So we've tipped more.
Yeah.
So we thought that was fair.
That's really nice. And obviously, she made sure like, I heard you bit on it. Are you okay? Have you hurt anything? I'm like, yeah, just hurt me too for a bit, but that's fine. Yeah,
it's a really nice place actually. We weren't expecting any money off at all. Like, to be fair, you enjoyed pretty much all of it until that happened anyway. So.
To be fair, we enjoyed it after that.
Yeah.
Garlic parmesan fries.
Oh, they were fucking beautiful. But yeah, we're gonna sit on the beach for a bit. Have a chill.
Hope for them some rays to come soon.
Hopefully
and
the sun's
Aiden's gonna
come
go
out.
swimming.
Obviously. The size of that dog is incredible. This ain't a bad spot. Quite like.
Quite literally a hill.
You can tell how hilly this is. Hold this and I'll walk down so you can see how hilly it is.
1 second.
Down to the sea.
You look really far away on camera. You look really far away. Still gonna get you. Ooh, just. Oh, rated! Oh my god! Quick before that wave comes. He's gonna get wet. That wave coming. It looks really far away in camera, but it's really not. Don't turn around. Run, run, run. Cold. Aiden. That's a shady guy. Yeah, hey. Oh my gosh. His little scurry towards it. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. It's going in. You okay? Oh, who needs television? This is ace. Go on. Oh, that's a double! Oh, is it? It said. Oh, oh! Are you okay? Are you okay? That last one looked like it hurt! No! my god, look. Oh, now that's Baywatch.
So,
Right, you've told me to shoot camera on what?
So, first of all, I've got these. You got a mint chocolate ice cream milkshake thingy and a fresh lemonade.
Okay.
Secondly, all of the school, that's the only place you're allowed to eat, so that's where I've been queued for the last.
What, up there?
Yeah, I've been there. Exactly where I've
Oh
been told
my god. No, I literally, right, he has been gone for half an hour.
You're gonna take your ice cream milkshake thing.
I'm literally like, where the fuck is it? I would genuinely, no.
Well, the beach was very nice, very relaxed. However, we've done it again. Near the end of our trip, we have completed what I like to call the burning. We are red, we are toasty. We look like human lobsters.
To be fair, I always need a bit of colour because I am always normally really pale.
I put some cream on.
You did. He put factor 50. It's not failed us all week, and then the one day we needed it to work.
Well, guess where we're going again? Ooh, downtown Disney for some food and to buy. To spend the monies. That's coming from that bike.
If you drive a car like a bike like that, you deserve to have your own theme song.
He is the American. He is not just American, he is the American. Guess who's back? Back again. We are back in Mickey Mouse World. Disney's back, Disney's back, Disney's back. Get me to the downtown. Boy, am I glad we're not going to a park today. Tonight, it's 8 o'clock at night, and there's queues out of the gates for both bars.
But I turn around and say, it's because people who have like passes here, who live here, will literally just turn and say, hey, do you guys want to go to like Disney after work?
This is nuts. It's 8 o'clock at night, and
There
there's
are more people going into the parks than there are going into downtown. This is mental.
So, from when you last saw us, we've done some shopping. We've seen the top of the fireworks, haven't we? And we've come back to the sports bar in downtown Disney because once you've really enjoyed the sushi, and then I'm trying fish tacos, so very fishy day.
I'm also like really emotional.
She's very sad because it's nearing the end. And we've got 2 days left. 2 days. I ordered fish taco. I got a pile of shit on my plate. No matter what it is, it's gonna end up in shit. So just watching this back, I can already tell that the amazing day that we had and we feel like we had wasn't translated well on camera. But that's to be fair, we were just taking in this day. We were resting, we were chillaxing on the beach, getting very sunburnt. The waves attacking us. We've had such an amazing day. The memories will last for a very long time. It's one of the best days of the trip, and that's saying something. But yeah, I had a great day. The dolphins are amazing, splashing around in them. Very aggressive waves were also very, very fun. So yeah, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. A subscribe is always very appreciated. And if you watched any of the California videos, I'd like to thank you very much because we are nearing the end of this series, which feels like it's been going on for a very long time. But yeah, most importantly, you've got to stay wild. Oh yeah.